Hi, my name is Ronnie William. I'm grown 17 October of 2009. Queen 10. Called no snow in all year. Called South Martin supports academic, administrative, and virtual education, marking net for education institutions. Arts and comprehensive service-oriented solutions in generating of positive impact on the ground on profitability of your organization, with an annual cost to the corporation of those million pesos in a single payment with guaranteeing during its operation. Disadvantage due no parents and point in terms of security since they have the could but its advantage is the long cost for its application. SIGAP can now do its own system for academic and circular administration of institutions of higher education which integrates data and process in a complex solution and maintain variance of space and time, spread over 7 many years. Disseminating on somewhat space characterized is now come with security. The price of now with their certain needs and betting is the security it price. Conclusion. Through the problem of digital transformation in Colombia, it can be called would be the best option because of its low cost, which does not show as much security as SIGA, but which is from the point of innovation, they could be improved in the security part and this will contribute to the development of the transformation digital in Colombia. Thank you.